Welcome to Cha Chan Tang. Cha Chan Tang is the story of Ming, a boy whose parents ran a Cha Chan Tang in Hong Kong but went missing one day. Before we continue the story, I would like to introduce a book published by Cha Chan Tang. In Chap Sang, the spirits of Hong Kong audience can learn some common Hong Kong Cantonese slang. It helps Cantonese learner to understand local conversation in the daily life of Hong Kongers. Cha Chan Tang has also launched a series of t-shirts with images of Hong Kong and Cantonese expression that reflects the culture and the spirits of the city. Please let me know if any of you are interested. You can contact us for the details. One day, Ming's uncle suddenly appeared at the Cha Chan Tang and said he wanted to come back and take it over. He said to Ming that he needed to know what had happened while he was away.
我見到叔叔成叔之後，我好驚，因為我之前激嬲咗佢，佢就再冇喺茶餐廳出現。佢好惡咁樣講。
茶餐廳幾時轉咗老細？點解我唔知㗎？
譚仔叔叔喺隔離聽到叔叔成叔咁樣講嘅時候，佢就話：
你依家係唔係我老細啊？係我老細就有責任同你講，我唔理邊個做老細，有得出糧俾我就得㗎啦。
成叔聽完譚仔叔叔講之後就冇出聲，佢擰轉頭望住我，然後鬧我：
你只不過係細蚊仔，唔係正正經經返學讀書，而喺茶餐廳搞震。我揾到你阿爸阿媽返嚟之後，我就一定叫佢哋鬧你。
佢之後望住譚仔叔叔，然後話：
你只不過係做廚房㗎咋，你咁樣同我講嘢，我可以喺出邊買啲預製菜返嚟代替你㗎。
譚仔叔叔之後就話：
好啊，等你做老細先。
之後叔叔成叔好嬲咁走咗出去。我見到佢哋兩個嗌交，我都唔知自己做錯咗咩事，唔知點解叔叔成叔咁嬲鬧我。成叔係我爸爸嘅細佬，佢係我親叔叔。我只係想幫爸爸媽媽睇住間茶餐廳，等佢哋返嚟之後，見到茶餐廳仲可以喺度唔使執笠。我只不過想令爸爸媽媽開心啫。之後譚仔叔叔叫我幫手抹台，我喺抹台嘅時候見到台上面有一本書，我估係一個客人留低喺茶餐廳嘅。嗰本書嘅名好得意，叫做一個90歲加的老人以詩自救日誌。我今年先至9歲，我唔明白一個90歲以上嘅人點樣用詩去自救自己呢？我而家都好想搵人救我，幫我解決而家嘅問題。9後面加一個0就係90。於是我就好好奇打開本書嘅第一頁嚟睇，如果一個90歲嘅人可以用詩拯救自己，咁9歲嘅我都一樣得。
我係一個90幾歲嘅老人，我從自己嘅詩入邊揾到力量去支持我活着嘅火花，所以可以拯救你自己嘅，就只有你自己。
With 1 in 5 of its residents aged 65 years old or older, Hong Kong has become an aging society. The population of people over 65 years old makes up 23%, which is expected to grow in the future. The reason for that include the affordability of the public healthcare system and a wide variety of social services and benefits for the elderly. It is common for Hong Kongers to combine both Western and Chinese medicine in their long-term treatment. This characteristically Hong Kong approach, which is at once Chinese and international, has proven to be beneficial. Hong Kong also boasts good longevity. It is still, however, work to be done on the treatments of mental health for the elderly. If anyone is interested in buying a book or t-shirt made by Cha Chan Teng, please let us know. They make good gifts for your family and friends. Thank you for supporting Cha Chan Teng.